Hi, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the cruise control in a 2021 Cayenne, Porsche Cayenne. The cruise control is located down here on this stock. It's below the turn signal stock, which you can see up here. So down here, you press the end of the stock, it will turn the cruise control on, and you can see that from this icon right here. I'll demonstrate turning it off and then turning it back on. Now, once the cruise control is on, once you get to the speed that you want, you simply need to press forward to lock in that speed. If you want to go faster, you can press it. In each increment you press it, it will increase by a mile per hour. You can also reduce speed with this stock, and that's just pulling it towards you. If you happen to hit the brakes or want to cancel the cruise, you can press down for cancel or press the brakes, of course. If you want to resume the speed that you last had set, then just press up for resume. So that's kind of a quick summary of how to use the cruise control in a Porsche Cayenne.